Hello viewers, welcome to our lecture series. Today we are discussing about the blind docking by using PyRx. Today we will learn how to download the PyRx, downloading ligands by using the PubChem database, how to use the PyRx, what is this interface, and how to run the docking here, and how to interpret the results of docking, and how to make the complex of ligand and receptor by using pdb-qt files, by going into the internal files and make the complex. By using this complex we can make multiple images to show in our project thesis and the research paper. So go to the screen and we're starting to download PyRx. Go to the Google, search in the search bar PyRx. Okay, click the first link. I'll also give the link in the description from where you go to download it. Go to the buttons, click the download option here, and you have to download the free version of Windows. Choose it. Then we'll go to the next page. Is the download button. Simply click it, and after some seconds, few seconds, it will start to download. I already downloaded, so I can't download it again. When the file downloaded, go to your download section and install the PyRx by easy steps. This only next time I finish the PyRx download, it will be done. Okay, now go to the PubChem database for downloading different ligands for our docking purpose. Go to PubChem. In the search bar, write the any ID of a specific ID of your ligand or the name of your ligand. Okay, search. Click the best match. So I go to the go with the first one. Here is a 2D 3D structure, the multiple details we'll discuss later. Okay, go to the download options, 3D conformer, save the SDF file. We also discuss about it before in the previous videos. Okay, I will download another ligand, pyripyridone, for the docking. Okay, click it. Simply click the download, go to the 3D conformer and save the SDF file. By using simple steps, you can download multiple ligands for the docking. Okay, we can today we do docking by using different ligands, so the result interpretation for you guys will be simple. It is understandable how to sort the result, how to interpret it. So using different ligands, it will be clear to you. Okay, we download 3 to 4 ligands for our end. We use the receptor here. It's a multiple details about this ligand. Okay, we know discuss it. We use the ligand which we prepare and minimized in the previous video for the docking purpose. If you don't watch it, go to this video and learn how to prepare and minimize the receptor for the docking purpose. Here is the PyRx. Click it, and now we start our docking. It's the interface of the PyRx. Maximize it. It's a GUI interface. There is AutoDock Vina. Basically it's the AutoDock Vina GUI version. PyRx. Okay, go to the file, click the load molecule, select the molecule which you prepared for your docking purpose, or you download from the PDB database. Click it, and it's the ligand, it's the receptor, basically a receptor protein which we prepared and minimized for the docking for accurate results. Okay, the 4 chains in this structure. So 3D format. You can also zoom it and zoom out, and then it's our receptor name here. Okay, AutoDock, and click the AutoDock, and you can see there is a blank ligand and macromolecule section, but further it will not be blank. And then go to molecules, right click on your receptor and make it, click on AutoDock and make it a macromolecule. Select the macromolecule. Now it will be converted into the PDBQT format and become a receptor for the docking. And in the macromolecule section, now you will see the receptor name here, and ligand section will be blank. Go to this plus sign icon for loading our ligands for docking with that specified receptor. Okay, simply click on this icon and go to the designation, like in download section. We download multiple ligands one by one. We can input it in there, by and we cannot load it multiple ligand at once. We can do it one by one, but in the case of library, if you have any library, you can load it by once. Okay, if you don't have a library, multiple ligands downloaded by yourself, then you have to input one by one, but you can run at once. You can dock multiple ligands with any specified one protein at once. Okay, now I will also use the ligand, naturally bonded ligand thyroxine, which is separate from our protein previously. Okay, it is optional, but it's necessary to use the naturally bonded ligand if there is a specified ligand in that binding pocket which you want to dock there. This is used to for the validation of results. Okay, and now in the ligand section, right click and click minimize all. It will minimize all the ligand at once. We can previously minimize the protein but not the ligands. In PyRx we can minimize ligands, and then right click again there and click convert all to the PDB-QT. Then all the ligands converted in the PDB-QT. Okay, in the ligand section, now you can see the ligands here. Previously it will, this section will be blank. Now all the ligands which we input there are shown in the ligand section. Okay, and simply go to the Vina wizard, click the start button. Okay, now you will see that in C drive it's the path given where is our receptor gone after converted into macromolecule, but there is no ligand selected. Okay, so we have to select the ligands. Simply click, but we are not able to click all the ligands at once by simple clicking, but we can do that by using the shift command. Simply click the first ligand, press shift and click the last, then you will be able to select all the ligands at first. And now you see 4 ligands are selected and the macromolecules is also selected. You can double check those both things will be selected. Okay, now click next, and there is the interface. Is the dimensions and the configurations of the grid. You will see the box on the protein, basically it's called grid. Okay, simply maximize in blind docking. We simple maximize this grid. Okay, then simple clicks forward. Now docking is started. You see that some is finished and some is running. There is a static gone and line. There is a progress status for finished running. Once it's finished, we can be able to download the docking results. It takes some weight according to the number of the ligands. Now the last is running. Last one is about to done. Oh, finally finished. There is the results: binding affinity RMS to IP and RMS to UB. Okay, you can see the binding affinity. In binding affinity should be in minus, and the large one means -10 will be the best one. Then minus 9.7 the second. Simply click there is a third icon, CSV, and choose the designation. Give name to your file or Excel file. Okay, or there is another file with that name. Oh no, I will oh, why it's not appear there. Oh, by mistakenly I clicked the first icon. Sorry. uh, Back to the PyRx. Click the third icon for downloading CSV. Okay, to the designation, give your file a specified name. I go with blind docking. Okay, refresh, and there is the result file is downloaded in PyRx. We have to sort it. Simply open it. Shows. Okay, select all, go to the format and output column. For your easiness, this step is just for expanding columns at once, columns and rows. Okay, select the column B, binding affinity. Click to sort smallest to largest. Simply click it and click sort. Now this column is sorted. The best binding energy ligand is on the top, then the second one, then the third one, and fourth one. It is the sorting results. Now click the C column, click filter, sort smallest to largest again, and click sort. Now you see there's 0 0 0 means RMST should be 0. In which both RMST should be 0, we have to use only that. Okay, otherwise the below results after the zeros, below the zeros, is not good. Simple, click the below ones and discard them. Simply delete that rows. We will not go with that. Okay, right click and delete. Basically it's the poses. There's an option in the PyRx which where is the exhaustiveness is 8. Okay, there is 8 poses for each ligand. Okay, we simply save the sorting file. Sorted result will be saved. Okay, click simply save, choose the designation and save. Yes, there is the ligand receptor name and it's the binding energy. Okay, simply minimize it. Now the last step is the complex generation. After doing docking, open the PyMOL. Basically complex generation is finding of the ligand position, ligand placement within the receptor. Okay, simply go to the files and you go to your C drive, you select users and your PC, find here MGL tools and click on PyRx and go macromolecules, select this one, and here are all the ligands and the receptor. Okay, Simply drag your receptor in the PyMOL, click and drag here. Now you can see receptor will be open in PyRx. Okay. Now in the docking sorted file, you see the ligand which has the highest energy, 21, 30, 40. Find this ligand is here in second number. Okay. Simply drag this top energy ligand within this PyMOL window. Okay, and there you can see it will successfully attached in the binding pocket of the protein. This is the complex. This is the benefit of docking, where we can locate or find the location of the specified ligand within the protein and how often it is attached to the receptor. Simply go to the file, export molecules, save, give file. File should be downloaded save in pdb format. Okay, choose designation and give the specified name to your complex file. Okay, I give receptor ligand complex file. Okay, click save. Now our complex file is saved. Now one by one you can do this step for complex generation. Okay, in this way you can generate multiple complex files with every ligand. Okay, this ligand will be helpful using multiple attractive picture by using their thesis research work. And I drag all the ligands in the same window, and you can see all successfully attached in the binding pocket of the receptor. Okay, but you have to do this step one by one and save the complex one by one. Later you have to use this complex for making the attractive picture by using different software, also including PyMOL. Tell me in the comment section if you are interested to learn how to make an attractive pictures of complex to report that in your thesis or projects or any research works. Tell me in comments if you are interested to learn the site specific docking. Also tell me that I will surely make video for you about the site specific docking. Then we will also learn how to use AutoDock Vina software for docking. Okay, if you like it, like, share and subscribe.